Have you ever faced a door slammed shut in your face only to find it was the best thing that could have happened to you? Well, today we're diving deep into the art of turning the tables on rejection, inspired by none other than the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Cut to a calm, reflective image of a Stoic statue or an open landscape. Imagine you're in a world where every no doesn't push you down but propels you forward. Rejection, a word that often brings a sting, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate, but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a hidden yes to something greater. Are you feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll unpack 13 powerful lessons that teach you how to harness the power of rejection. These aren't just philosophical ideas, but real-world strategies you can apply every day. When life hands you the cold shoulder of indifference, don't shrink back. Rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. Imagine this. Someone decides you're not worth their time. That's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, "I am worth more." Instead of fixating on their indifference, invest your energy in yourself. Focus on your goals, dive into hobbies, and enjoy time with those who value you. This isn't about getting back at anyone, but about reclaiming your energy and showing yourself that you are enough without their acknowledgement. Your self-respect becomes an unshakable fortress, and nothing can breach it. Rejection stings, and it's easy to let your emotions run wild. But here's a secret weapon from the Stoic playbook: calmness. When someone brushes you off, it's tempting to let frustration or sadness take over. But Stoicism teaches us that our power lies not in how others behave, but in how we respond. Take a breath. Ask yourself, why does this bother me so much? Often, it's not the rejection itself, but our own insecurities that hurt us the most. Calmness doesn't mean suppressing your feelings. It means not letting them control you. It's about creating space to think clearly and react thoughtfully instead of letting frustration dictate your actions. When faced with rejection, detachment becomes a powerful tool. This isn't about forgetting the hurt or pretending it didn't happen. It's about using the rejection to propel yourself forward. Picture this rejection as a detour sign guiding you to new paths. Instead of letting this negative experience consume your thoughts, dive into activities that cultivate growth. Take up new hobbies, read new books, or join communities that support your personal development. Rejection is not a reflection of your worth, but a nudge towards rediscovering yourself. Rejection stings, but it's also a litmus test for your resilience. Instead of shrinking in self-pity, view it as a chance to reveal your grit. Let your work speak for itself. When ignored or overlooked, rise above and take action. Work on a project that highlights your unique skills. Your value isn't diminished by their oversight. Use this moment to reassess your strengths. Is there something you can work on? Something that helps you grow? Take action, not for their approval, but to prove to yourself how strong and capable you are. Silence is not a passive state. It's a powerful tool in your emotional toolkit. When rejected, the instinct is to reach out, to fix things. But here's where you flip the script. Embrace silence. Silence isn't about playing games. It's about regaining your power. When you stop chasing after someone's validation, you are telling the universe that you respect yourself too much to chase after someone else's approval. This pause isn't for them. It's for you to recalibrate, to reflect, and to focus on what truly matters. Rejection is not just about proving others wrong. It's about proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. Rejection offers you the perfect opportunity to sharpen your skills. If someone doubts you, take it as fuel to improve, to master your craft. Your actions will speak louder than any words. Every skill you develop, every hurdle you overcome, is a silent answer to those who doubted you. But this journey isn't for their benefit, it's for you. The true victory lies in proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. When faced with rejection, it's easy to withdraw and wallow in it. But here's a twist. Seek out joy. Step outside your comfort zone. Whether it's picking up a new hobby or reconnecting with friends, deliberately seek out fun and adventure. These moments of joy not only uplift your spirit, they reaffirm your place in the world. It's a reminder that you are more than the sum of your setbacks. Life is filled with possibilities, and joy is an essential part of resilience. Instead of seeking validation from others, invest in your own growth. Building your social status doesn't mean climbing a ladder of approval from others. It means focusing on your personal development, your fitness, your learning, your career. Become someone who's fulfilled from within. Share your journey, not to boast, but to connect. When you're truly growing, the right people will gravitate towards you. The Stoic approach isn't about popularity. It's about authenticity and personal excellence. When someone ignores you, the most powerful thing you can do is simply act as if they don't exist. Don't waste energy trying to get their attention or seek approval. Redirect your focus to those who value you. By choosing to engage with others who respect you, you reinforce your own self-worth and peace. It's not a sign of coldness, but of wisdom. Keep it brief, stay professional, and focus on what truly matters. Silence isn't just about withdrawing, it's about reflecting. When ignored, let that silence be an opportunity for self-reflection, a time to understand your emotions and reset. It's a moment to preserve your inner peace. By choosing not to engage, you're choosing to focus on your own growth, on what truly matters to you. This silence is a conscious decision to maintain your dignity rather than getting lost in unnecessary drama. The Stoic way is not to beg for attention, but to affirm your own worth. When you are ignored, don't perform louder or try to make them see you. Instead, focus inwardly. Strengthen your resolve and reaffirm your value. Your worth is not for negotiation. Embrace your passions and pursue them with confidence, knowing that your fulfillment doesn't depend on others. This shift in perspective turns rejection into a reminder of your personal power. Choose kindness in the face of rejection, but keep your emotional distance. Be polite, but protect your emotional energy. Stoicism teaches us that you can be kind without losing your sense of self-respect. Maintain boundaries. Your peace of mind is far more important than trying to please those who disregard you. Respond with grace, but don't invest emotionally where there is no return. Rejection is not just something to endure. It's something to learn from. Every time you face a setback, it's a chance to gain valuable insight into your own character, weaknesses, and strengths. Instead of seeing rejection as a barrier, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Rejection forces you to evaluate your approach, adjust your mindset, and sharpen your skills. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Every obstacle, every no pushes you toward your true path, forcing you to become more resilient, adaptable, and wise. Next time you encounter rejection, take a step back and ask, What lesson can I extract from this moment? It could be a lesson in humility, perseverance, or perhaps a deeper understanding of yourself. In the long run, these lessons are far more valuable than any fleeting approval or success. Rejection often stings because we measure success based on external validation, whether it's a job, a relationship, or social acceptance. But what if you redefine success on your own terms? Instead of seeing it as a fixed destination, view success as a personal journey of growth and self-improvement. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions, values, and mindset. Create your own definition of success, one that's aligned with your values and inner goals, not society's expectations. When rejection hits, remind yourself that it doesn't impact your true worth or derail your personal mission. Success is not about pleasing everyone. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. When you own your narrative, rejection becomes just a bump on the road, not a defining moment. Rejection often leads to comparison. Why did they succeed when I didn't? Or what do they have that I lack? Instead of spiraling into envy or self-doubt, use comparison as a tool for inspiration. Ask, what can I learn from their success? How can I adapt their strategies or mindset to my own journey? Stoicism teaches that envy drains your energy, but inspiration fuels your growth. Shift your mindset from competition to collaboration. Celebrate others' achievements, and let them serve as a reminder of what's possible for you. Their success doesn't diminish yours, it opens a window into new possibilities. By transforming comparison into a positive force, you turn rejection into motivation. Every no becomes an opportunity to refine your skills, expand your horizons, and reaffirm your path. We've explored 16 powerful lessons on transforming rejection into your greatest strength. Each setback holds a hidden opportunity, each no a stepping stone toward resilience and growth. Stoicism teaches us that true power lies not in avoiding rejection, but in mastering our response to it. Remember, every rejection is a redirection towards something better, something more aligned with your purpose. Embrace these moments, not as defeats, but as lessons in strength, self-worth, and perseverance. Now, I challenge you to apply these insights in your life. The next time you face rejection, see it as your greatest teacher. Share your experiences and victories in the comments below. Let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and remember, strength in adversity isn't just a phrase, it's a mindset. Stay strong, stay stoic, and keep turning life's challenges into opportunities. Until next time, remember, rejection isn't the end. It's the beginning of your greatest comeback.